Want to create looks that are smooth, soft, and exude vibrant shine? The Chi Deep Brilliance hair dryer creates smooth looks and vibrant shine with even heat and faster styling, even on coarse or highly textured hair. It utilizes Chi ceramic heat technology paired with a powerful airflow that allows for less damage and rapid styling results. Dual position speed and temperature settings are powered by an 1875-watt AC motor for quicker, quieter drying times. Its ergonomic handle design with grip details ensures comfort and balance when styling. Preserve styles and reduce frizz by smoothing out hair cuticles with the rapid Cool Shot button. A removable filter along with optional comb and nozzle attachments are ideal for precision styling. Chi Deep Brilliance, stylist tested, salon approved.